Hi, this video shows how a user can provide a stock symbol and fetch its stock value from the Google Finance website. It will showcase the utility of the Inject JavaScript step. Let us begin. I have opened Process Studio. Since it is a GUI automation, let us go to the Tools menu and start the GUI Spy. We will work only in the web mode. Let me provide the URL Google Finance. Click Go. On the Spy toolbar, click the Spy icon. Hover over the Search for Stocks text box. Press the tilde or the back key. It opens the Generate Step window. We want to generate a single step and we want to set the value for the stock symbol. In this case, let us set the stock symbol as Google Nasdaq. And we want to generate a step using the XPath criteria. Click Generate. It gives a warning that Start Browser node was not found in the current workflow. So do you want to add it? So let us click OK. Next we want to press enter on the same text box. So let us change this to web click and generate. Let us go and check in Process Studio. It has generated the start browser, the web set value. Let us check the properties. Click OK. And the web click. Let us change the click option to press enter. Click OK. Let us go back to the web page. Let us stop spying. Let us enter the stock symbol and press enter. Next, we wish to fetch the stock value. However, the stock value has an inner HTML and is not a label or an input field. Hence, we cannot fetch it using the GUI Spy. Instead, GUI Automation provides the Inject JavaScript step option for such cases. So let us close the Spy toolbar. I am back in Process Studio. Before I add the Inject JavaScript step, let us add a delay row step. Let us provide a delay of 10 seconds. Now let us add the Inject JavaScript step. Let us configure it. Enter the code to get the stock value. Define a variable for the stock value and get the value of the inner HTML element by class name. The stock value is a dynamic field. We can pass it to an output step. Click OK. We will use the text file output step. We will store the file in the current workflow directory. Let us call it stock value. And it has an extension txt. In the Fields tab, we need to provide the dynamic stock value field that was generated using the Inject JavaScript step. Let us click OK. Finally, we need to add an exit browser step. Provide a step name and the browser to exit. The exit browser step explicitly closes the entire browser session for the driver specified in the start step. We are now ready to execute the workflow. Let us run the workflow. It has opened Google Finance. It is entering the stock symbol and it has opened the page to fetch the stock value. We provided some delay here. The workflow is complete. Now let us check the text file output. It has generated the output file stockvalue.txt and it has stored the Nasdaq Google stock value. Thus we saw how we can build a GUI automation using GUI Spy and the Inject JavaScript where necessary. We saw how to fetch stock values with GUI Spy and for the field that is not a label or a text input field, how to get the value with the Inject JavaScript step. Thank you for watching.